As you can see, this is the progress I've made thus far on my final project, the stacker game. And I have now completed 2 of my complexities, which are the 8x8 LED matrix and the piezo buzzer. So the stack now works as I expect it to. So if I don't stack up the LED blocks that are moving back and forth on the current row that I'm at, then they're going to disappear. So I'll demonstrate that. So the block on the right disappeared there, similar to how the block on the second row disappeared because it didn't line up with the stack. And that also limits the amount of LED blocks that I use per row now. So now I'm only limited to using 1. And if I mess up and don't stack the current LED onto the stack, then the piezo buzzer will sound as you just heard. And that indicates to the player that they need to restart the game if they want to continue. So in order to do that, they have to push the restart button. And now the blocks that I use will also restart. So I'm back to using the original amount that I am going to use. So that's 3 blocks, 2 blocks, and 1 block on the last 2 rows. So if I win, the stack of LED blocks will light up for 5 seconds. And if the player wants to continue playing, then they can just hit the restart button. And that is all.